Hi, my name is Tony DeGraff from Burke's and welcome to 5 at 18 Robert Street in Como, a meticulously renovated townhouse of generous proportions in an iconic riverside location. Come, experience it for yourself. Elevated high on the hill with sparkling river views sits this stunning property of grand proportions. The owners have carefully executed a high-level renovation that has covered every inch of this beautiful home. The flowing, open-plan living space combines the kitchen, the centrally located and generous dining area, and a lounge with its stunning pitched roof. The balcony allows you to capture natural light all day long and farewell your day living in one of the finest streets, Riverside, Como.